as the Ukrainian drone army has many different drones with different capabilities at their disposal. One of the more capable is a larger multi-rotor drone, capable of carrying many grenades. As seen with this drone hammering a Russian tank, while another tank close by starts fleeing not to be the next one in line. As the grenades start penetrating the roof armor, an internal fire started, causing the tank to be completely destroyed, turning a multi-million-dollar tank to be worth as much as scrap metal, destroying another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.